Ignore the stuff on the floor. A few minor repairs are being made. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome. Air conditioning and washer and dryer. $2,015 a month. This one has it has private enclosed outdoor space, and all the space that we saw out front is also dedicated to this unit. Parking is all on the street.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's pretty wide, the street.
Street parking is very easy in this neighborhood. It's highly residential, so we both pulled up and got parking spots right in front of the building immediately. So this is all space for this unit as well. So you come around here, there's your front porch. You will be required, tenant will be required to maintain this front portion. As you can see, it's mostly mulch, so you'll just need to pick up the leaves and trash and make sure it looks tidy. All right, so we'll go back in, then we'll go up to the second floor. Little storage closet there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right under the stairs. Let me open that for you.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Okay. Carpeting on the stairs and top floor, which helps keep noise minimized. Very quiet here. Washer dryer. I guess technically it's a walk-in closet. It'll get the job done. Nice view. Private mini split with remote. Upstairs bath with a window. Nice. And second room or office. I think both rooms are the same size. This room also has its own dedicated mini split. Not much on the closet space here, so about the only drawback. Lots of room to add some additional storage in this bathroom as well, it looks like. And there we go.